Hey everyone, Xgody Gimbal 5 Smart Mini Projector is a unique example of creativity and practicality combined. This cutting-edge projector promises to transform your viewing experience with its abundance of high-end capabilities and inbuilt Android 11 operating system. The Gimbal 5 has a lot to offer, regardless of whether you're a gamer, movie buff, or just someone who likes to watch stuff on a huge screen. The intelligent Android 11 operating system, which comes pre-installed with well-known apps like Netflix and YouTube, is the brains behind the Xgody Gimbal 5. With the help of this capability, users may access over 7,000 programs and a wide range of video resources, turning the projector into a multi-purpose entertainment center. The new's 5G dual-band Wi-Fi 6 technology is included, guaranteeing high transfer speeds and reduced latency, which improves the quality and smoothness of streaming. In addition, the Xgody wireless mirroring feature makes it easy to share information from your smartphone to a large screen, which improves the flexibility and convenience of your watching experience. With a dynamic contrast ratio of 10,000:1 and an amazing light source of 12,000 lumens, the Gimbal 5 projector offers a native resolution of 1920 by 1080p. This combination produces a crystal-clear viewing experience and incredibly vibrant color reproduction. With a viewing screen display of up to 150 inches made possible by the creative light engine structure appearance, you may create a home theater experience that can compete with traditional movie theaters. Every detail is displayed with amazing clarity on the Gimbal 5's high-definition display, whether you're playing games, watching movies, or giving presentations. The electro-precision focus of the Gimbal 5 is one of its best features. With simply a button push on the remote control, you can attain crisp, clear images without the need for manual changes. The projector offers unmatched placement freedom, thanks to its stylish spotlight appearance and adaptable 180 degrees rotating stand. In your living room or bedroom, you can effortlessly project onto any wall or ceiling, guaranteeing a cozy and engrossing watching experience whether you're sitting or lying down. Because the Gimbal 5 has integrated HDMI, USB, and 3.5mm headphone connectors, it may be used with a variety of multimedia devices. Because of its adaptability, the projector may be connected to gaming consoles such as the PS5, TV sticks, laptops, USB drives, iOS, and Android devices. Excellent music quality is offered by the 3-watt hi-fi built-in speaker, and Bluetooth speakers are also supported by the projector for those who prefer better audio experience. This makes the Gimbal 5 a great option for online learning, exercise regimens, and game amusement, in addition to home theater installations. The Gimbal 5 is incredibly small, measuring only 6.5 by 4.3 by 3.5 inches, in spite of its sophisticated features. Because of this, you can easily transfer it from room to room or take it with you on camping and travel excursions. It is also quite portable. The projector's all-in-one construction guarantees that performance is maintained without sacrificing affordability. It offers an experience that surpasses its value because of its well-balanced configuration, which makes it appropriate for a variety of uses. To sum up, the Xgody Gimbal 5 Smart Mini Projector is a strong and adaptable tool that meets a range of entertainment demands. Its intelligent Android 11 operating system, along with Wi-Fi 6 and share features, guarantees a smooth and delightful viewing experience. The great image quality and versatility are provided by the 180 degrees rotating support, electro-precise focus, and 12,000 lumen native 1080p Full HD display. Its highly portable appearance, Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, and multimedia compatibility make it a great option for both at home and on the move. The Gimbal 5 is a doorway to an entirely new realm of entertainment, not just a projector. Now available at Amazon, the feature-rich Xgody Gimbal 5 Smart Mini Projector will enhance your home entertainment experience. This cutting-edge projector promises to transform your viewing experience with its abundance of high-end capabilities and inbuilt Android 11 operating system. There's a limited time extra $20 off coupon available on the Amazon page, so you can save even more money. Plus, use the coupon at checkout to receive a huge 50% discount. This is the ideal opportunity to improve your watching experience, because the high-performance projector is available at an unbelievable pricing during this limited time offer. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.